you have to be willing to change, right? Like so often the biggest barrier to this is just inertia, right? I know you all see this when you're talking to organizations about, evolving their CRM platforms, that the most comfortable thing to do is to just stay where you are, even if it gets you less revenue and lower results, right? And so you have to be bold enough and have leadership and not just like the CEO, but like people at the middle of the organization willing to raise their hand and say, hey, this sucks and I've got data to prove it and we should do something different, right? So that's step one. Then you have to really kind of rethink your strategy, because it's so often what I see is, whatever we did last year is what we do this year, right? But if you don't take the time to like meaningfully stop and say, well, wait a minute, we have all this other data. How do we integrate it into what we're doing so that this donor feels like we know them, feels like we care about them, and feels like we understand what's important to them? Like, if you do nothing else, those three will get you lift in your fundraising performance, right?